Hello, this is Leah from All Things Cards. Now that we've created our ink swatches, let's use them to help us pick a color that will work best with our cards. I'll be choosing the best color to accent my punched out Thinking of You sentiment circles. Be sure to visit us on Facebook in our group All Things Cards. If you enjoy this video, won't you consider subscribing? Thank you for watching. Have a great day and happy card making.
That's what it feels like when you're broke down. When you're broke down, you can't be fixed. All the women in the neighborhood, they say you're damaged. They say they go damaged. They go damaged goods. Carmelita, are you leaving me too? I come home after a long, long day to find another big yellow truck driving away. But that's what it feels like when you're broke down. Well, when you're broke down, you can't be fixed. And all the women in the neighborhood, they say you're damaged. They say they go damaged. They go damaged goods. Young Selena, those old women you say, what do they know? You think you're in love because you couldn't keep your hands off of me at the dog show. But to be honest with you, if I could, I'd leave me too. 'Cause that's what it feels like when you're